Hello everyone, welcome back to RC Robotics. My name is Carl and today we're here on the field with the A10. Now, if you've seen my last video with it's the exact same airframe, we've just made it a little bit better and used some better electronics. So, if you see my last video, here it is. And as you can see, that didn't go to plan very well, did it? And that wasn't really down to the design of the aircraft, it was down to the not dodgy electronics I put in it, but I'd gutted an old quadcopter motors and put them at the front when really they should have been at the back with pusher motors. And also, I used the back two motors because that was what Peter Schriepel said, and I don't know why. Now, coming to think about it, I should have thought about it, I would have used the front motors, because with the front motors, when the nose goes down, it adds power, and when the nose pitches up, it loses power, which is exactly what these do. So, enough jibber jabber, let's plug this battery in and get, up in the air before the sun goes down. I thought I broke it then, I thought I'd done something. I wanted to die, completely forgot there was a switch on it. So, we'll switch the plane on first, that'd be a good idea. Then switch this on. Bound. Yeah, we're both working. Some grass. Wind's going that way, so we want to fly that way. This might crash. This might fly beautifully. We don't know. So that is two nose heavy. Mm.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Right, so stabbing at the controls works.
Cool.
I've never been a part of, so because I've been an instructor to people, and yeah, if I see you stabbing at the controls when I'm instructing you, you're gonna get a slap.
That's amazing. It's all in frame.
Should be smooth. I mean, that is beautiful now, but yeah, I'm stabbing at the controls. I'm doing something that I wouldn't really do ever. But that looks just like an A10. So there we have it, guys, the A10. I am sort of disappointed and sort of, happy about this flight. You're happy about the flight, Danielle?
Yeah, I got tons of good footage.
That flew really quite well, that last flight. But I think I need to take it back to the drawing board and do a little bit more refining. The only things I think I need to do is move these motors a little bit further out and make these vertical stabilizers a lot stiffer, because they're made out of cardboard and they're flexing a little bit in, doing this. But I think I've just spotted, actually, looking down at the vertical stabilizers, I think I've just spotted our problem. These are right in line with the shaft of the propeller. So there's a vortice coming off the end of this propeller and it's hitting this. So I imagine if I move these, I don't want to move them in closer, but if I might move these out to here, that should keep the vortices away from the vertical stabilizer. So 101 flight car, do the thing what all planes do and keep the vortices away from the vertical stabilizer, which is why the A10's engines are here, and that's why the engineers put the vertical stabilizers here, because if they put them here, all the gas is coming from the engines and go.
Was that little you realising?
The design flaw was there, pointing at me in the face like, hey Carl, hey. That's why they put these there. That's the design of the A10. The thrust is nice and clean. Your thrust isn't nice and clean, Carl. Oh. How could I make that mistake? I've been flying for over 20 years now, but never mind. Thank you very much for joining us here at RC Robotics, guys. If you like this content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is just up there in the corner. And if you'd like to see any more of my videos, I'll pop one down here and another one just down here. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.